How to fix the resource downloaded error for FIFA Mobile. Hi there, this is Eve and here is how to fix the resources downloaded error on Android. To solve this problem, please follow only 2 advanced troubleshooting guides. So let's get started. Solution 1. Delete old resource file for FIFA. Open File Manager. Tap File. Tap Android. Tap Data. Tap View in the file. Tap Android. Tap Data. Find out com.ea.gp.FIFA Mobile. Now delete this folder. Solution 2. Fix your connectivity. Open Setting, scroll down, tap the additional setting, scroll down, tap the developer options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, toggle the always mobile data on. After this, tap and hold the app, tap App Info, tap Restricted Data Usage. Enable this option. Now open up the game. Now try downloading the resource file again. After that, your problem will be solved. Now still, if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.